So welcome back guys. Today we are going to solve our second question, that is simple array sum. It is also a warm-up question, so it is for beginners. So in this question we are given an integer array. We have to find the sum of its all elements and we have to return the sum. Just in previous question we returned the sum of two integers. In this we have to return the sum of complete array. So we are given an integer array AR and we have to output its sum. So first let's see the main function. We are taking input in array AR and for result we are calling function simple array sum and we are passing this array, and so we have to complete this function simple array sum. We are doing this array just for iteration. We are going from 0 till its last element. It will have many ways to solve. One of them is this, simply using for loop. We are making a variable sum to 0 and we will add every element and store it in sum. And simply we can return sum. So as we know, array starts from 0 till its last element. If you can see, I have used less than array dot length because array will exist from 0 till the 1 minus the length of the array. So I'm iterating the complete array once and storing all the elements in sum. You can write this or you can write like this too, sum equals to sum plus array. So its complexity is on. Let's just test it. Yeah, it's passed. It passed too. So it is also for beginners, and we can also use for each loop. Let me show you how to do that. In for each loop I will use one integer I in this AR and I will add all the elements in sum. So basically this is for each loop. It passed to so by using for each we can also solve this. Using simple for loop we can also solve this question. Thanks for watching.